about this car, do well to subscribe. Just hit on subscribe down there and tap on the bell icon to turn on post notifications, and I will give you a bit of information. Like I said, it's a Geely Coolray, and right here behind me I have the two trims. This does a lot of magic. Technically, both of them actually do a lot of magic, but the major difference here between both of them is this in red, the Scorpio trim actually does have way more tech features than this one. I'm talking to you about lots of tech features, including an auto parking assist. This car can park itself. For those of you that actually don't know how to parallel park, but yes guys, so watch on the video. This is not an actual review, I'm just showing you what this car is made of. Later on I'm going to tell you, I'm going to take the car out and actually show you what this car is. But today, enjoy! So guys, this is the Geely Coolray, and I'm going to take it from 0 to 100 and I will see what this car really is like. Okay, flaring it. everything you saw. Like I said, this is just a documentary of just filming both cars to actually show you what the Coolray is made of, and I hope you really did like what you saw. I don't hope, because you definitely did. And so, like I said, if you like my video or if you like what you've just seen, please do well So hit subscribe, like the video, share as usual, and guys, I will see you same time next week. Bye.